Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make these Christmas trees. So let's get started. Here we're going to fold this green craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it and squeeze it like this. Now start folding it from its sides. Here we're going to make the pleat and give it a shape of cone like this. Now cut the bottom part and make two such triangles. Cut it from both its sides. Now we're going to twist it like we're doing here from both its sides, and look, it is ready. Now we're going to do the same from other part and put it on the top of it. Paste a star. Now fold this brown paper and your Christmas tree is ready. We're going to make this wreath for Christmas days. Let's get started. We need red and green craft paper. First make multiple small pieces of green craft paper. Paste all of them on this circle. Similar way we're going to make a bow. Fold it, paste it, and look, it's ready. Let's make Christmas tree. Make multiple fold on green craft paper. Fold it, make a cone and paste star, and look, your Christmas tree is ready. We're going to make these heart-shaped snowflakes. Let's make it. So we're going to make multiple fold on this red craft paper and draw heart shape on the top of it. Cut it, open it, and look, your beautiful heart-shaped snowflake is ready. We're going to make this beautiful 3D star. Let's make it. We're going to fold this red craft paper. Make mini folds. Now fold it from its sides like we're doing here. Fold it from diagonals and make a triangular shape. Cut it, open it. You will get this beautiful star. Now fold it all. Paste it on the top of this white craft paper. Write Merry Christmas to you, and it's ready. We're going to make this snowman but using craft paper. So make multiple fold on this red and white craft paper. Fold all of them and paste in a circle like this. Paste them on the top of this white circle. Paste hat and eyes of the snowman, nose and muffler as well, and look, your snowman is ready. We're going to make this beautiful snowflake. First we're going to paste all these strips together like this. Make 8 such shapes and paste all of them in a circle, and look, it's ready. Let's make snowman. We are going to cut a circle and paste all of them. Fold more circles, paste eyes and hat and smiley face, and it's ready. Let's make this Santa Claus. First we are going to make the cone. So take this red craft paper, roll it, cut the bottom part, and your cone is ready. Now we are going to make the Santa beard. So we are going to cut this white sheet of paper, make a cut and put it inside the cone like this. Now draw the eyes of the Santa, paste it like we're doing here, and look, it's ready. Winter season is here, so let's make this snowman artwork. We are going to make the trees and snowman using white sheet of paper. Cut all circles and paste it like this. Paste their eyes and cap of the Santa. Paste muffler as well. Draw its hands like this. Add snowflakes, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful Christmas tree for greeting cards. So let's get started. Fold this green craft paper, cut the edges. Now make 5 such pieces and paste all of them one after another inside the card. Now we are also making the stick using brown craft paper. Paste stars, and it's ready. Let's make this cute little Santa Claus. So we are going to take 2 craft paper, fold it and make a triangular shape. Tuck it inside. Now draw the Santa Claus, and look, it's ready. Let's make this reindeer. So we are going to fold this orange craft paper and paste eyes and horns of the reindeer, paste ears, draw snowflakes, and it's ready. Let's make Santa Claus. We are going to paste this pink craft paper. Now make the beard by folding this white craft paper, make the hat and its eyes, draw snowflakes around it, and look, your Santa Claus is ready. Let's make this Santa Claus face. For that we are going to use 2 different craft paper, red and white. So make the hat first and paste the eyes and its mustache on the white craft paper. Draw all of them, make multiple cut and roll, and look, your Santa Claus is ready. Look at this snowflake. Let's make it. So fold this white sheet of paper, draw the shape of snowman. Now open it, color all of them. Look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.